5 tips how eyesight improvement courses can help you to improve your vision naturally and effectively. If you want to prevent your eyesight from getting worse, then this video is for you. Eyesight improvement courses are online programs that teach you various eye exercises, techniques, habits, and nutrition tips to improve your eyesight. Some of the eyesight improvement courses benefits. First, you can learn at your own pace and convenience. You can answer the course material whenever it's convenient for you and follow the instruction and demonstration on your screen. Second, you can save money and time. You can improve your eyesight by yourself at home with minimal cost and effort. Third, you can improve your overall health and well-being. By improving your eyesight, you can also improve your brain function, mental state, and emotional aspects of your vision. Fourth, eyesight improvement courses can help you also with concentration, better mood, and self-confidence. You can also reduce stress, headaches, eye strain, and eye fatigue. Fifth, eyesight improvement courses help to improve your eye health, and then vision gets better. There are many eyesight improvement courses available on the internet, but not all of them are reliable or effective. Eyesight improvement course, Eyesight Academy, is the best option to get better eye health and vision. A link in the description below. The key is to find eye exercises that suit your needs and preferences and do it consistently. I hope this video has been helpful and informative for you. If you want to learn more about eyesight improvement courses or anything else related to your vision, feel free to visit my website sveton.com or subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching and have a great day.